Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tofu at home. First, soak 1 cup of dried soybeans overnight, then drain and rinse them thoroughly. Next, blend the soaked beans with 4 cups of fresh water until smooth. This creates your soy milk base, which is essential for firm, delicious tofu. Remember, quality ingredients are key to success for delicious homemade tofu. After blending, strain the mixture through a nut milk bag or several layers of cheesecloth to separate the pulp, known as akara, from the liquid soy milk. Squeeze out every last drop. Then, gently heat the soy milk to just below boiling, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. This step is crucial for proper coagulation later, ensuring a smooth texture.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, for those who love to read while enjoying their homemade tofu, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the magic. Let your soy milk cool slightly to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of nigari, or magnesium chloride, in 1/2 cup of warm water. Slowly pour this solution into the soy milk, stirring gently for about 1 minute. Cover the pot and let it sit undisturbed for 15 minutes, allowing the curds to form. Carefully transfer the formed curds into a tofu press lined with cheesecloth. Fold the cheesecloth over the curds, then apply the lid and begin pressing. Start with light pressure, gradually increasing it over 30 to 60 minutes. The longer you press, the firmer your tofu will be. This removes excess water, creating that classic texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.